Hey everyone, wanna have mango candies in lockdown? So here is the solution. You need to grate the mangoes and extract the juice from the pulp, just as the way I'm doing it. It's not that tough. Yeah, it's not really that tough. Oh, in case if there is any impurities, you can filter out the juice just the way I'm doing it. Now you just need to add a lot of sugar in a pan and just pour the mango juice. It's just as simple as that, nothing else. Just keep on stirring it and stirring it. If you want some kind of spicy kind of feelings, you can use red chilies or some kind of other spices, but I will prefer the if up to your choice. You can use rock salt for taste. Okay, then keep on stirring continuously and continuously. Now here comes the major part. Okay, now when you rub the spatula with the pan and you see that your syrup is making these patterns, indicating that your syrup is ready for use. Now I've taken this kind of mold. You can take any mold of your own, just it's on your wish. Just you need to pour the syrup on the molds as I'm showing it now. And when it is done, you just keep it in a room temperature for few minutes so that it becomes cool, and then keep it in a refrigerator. After taking out from the refrigerator, the candy will just become like this. Exactly, it will become really like this. So thank you for watching my videos and bye.